Hello, we have here Smita Yadav from Jijamata Mahila Sahakari Bank, and we'll be talking to her on interesting issues regarding the growth and success of the bank. So, welcome, Smita.
Thank you.
Uh, so, yours is a typical cooperative bank. Pune is a very cooperative hub of the country, but yours is also a Mahila bank, okay? And predominantly, you have women as your customers, right? Now, women in India are actually getting liberated at a much faster pace than men, primarily because they had been oppressed much more in the historic times. So, how old is your bank and how has it evolved in the recent past to cope with the needs of the liberated women and the youth?
This bank, Jijamata Mahila Sahakari Bank, is a 40-year-old bank, 41-year-old bank to be precise. And this bank was started by my grandmother. The sole intention of starting this bank was to empower women.
Okay.
And we're saying empowering women right now, but at that time itself, 40 years back, my grandparents had this vision of empowering women, and they knew that women are an essential part of society, and they are the ones who really know, because when banking, especially for women, was not there, women used to keep their money either in pots of grains or something. So they knew the basic concept of saving money right from the beginning.
Okay.
So to get them into the mainstream is why my grandparents started this bank, and especially my grandmother, Malti Bai Shirole, is the one who started this bank.
Okay.
See, as of now, if you go to see, we are concentrating more on the younger generation, because the older generation, which is our customer already, is a very loyal customer.
Okay.
So as of now, for the last 2-3 years, we've been concentrating more on attracting the newer customer, that is the younger generation. And as India's the youngest nation, by 2020 it's going to be the youngest nation. So we would like to concentrate right now on the younger generation. That is why we have started branding our bank.
Okay.
And
yes, the youth wants branding.
that's right. So because taking a few tips from my daughter.
Daughter.
That's
okay.
right.
That's
So that's a younger generation.
Yes.
So that is where you get your ideas from. And the first thing she would say is that your logo is a little a little old. So that is where I took the inspiration from, and first thing I did was to change the logo. But at the same time, we needed to keep the soul of the logo, the older logo intact. So we kept Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj's logo as it is, and we refined the logo, and to attract the younger generations, we gave the name, gave the short form as JMSB for Jijamata Mahila Sahakari Bank.
Okay.
Because at times it's very difficult to say Jijamata Mahila Sahakari Bank.
It is long.
And so JMSB becomes a shorter and a quicker version of it.
So what was your daughter's feedback to the new logo and the shortened initials?
Oh, definitely, yes. Actually, if you see the younger generation, if you give them a long name like this, they would be a little, wary of whether I should go to that bank. I don't know what the culture of the bank is, but because as it is, cooperative sector is looked upon as a, very traditional and a very old kind of banking. But the minute you say JMSB, the short form, it appeals to the younger crowd. They feel there is something which is closer to technology, which is a little forward. So that is why we branded the bank logo. We've gone in for a particular color. We've changed all the boards. We've changed the whole look of the bank.
Okay. What is the average age of your employee, and what was their reaction to the new logo and branding?
The average age of our employee is around 35 to 45.
Okay.
So, Any change, if you see, is not taken very easily, but this was a very refreshing and a new change, and we could see the employees also, the attitude of the employees also changing. Because somewhere or the other, everybody now wants to go forward, and they do look around and see the brands have taken over.
You're talking about the employees.
Yeah, the employees have taken it very well though now, because it gives a fresher look to the bank, and you can see the enthusiasm, because the minute you have something professional introduced in the bank, the employees too have a fresher look.
That's true.
They feel much more energetic.
That's right.
And something new and something good coming is always welcome.
So a lot of banks, along with the branding, they redo the furniture and layout and lighting. Any such plans?
No, we haven't done any of these things as to,
Or stationery redesign?
No, we want to take one step at a time, because ours is a small bank.
Yes.
And we are very stingy in spending money. But where all we could, we have changed. We have tried to give a similar look to whatever is there presently. Even if we haven't changed the chairs or the tables, we definitely have changed the backdrops, the boards, the look, kind of a similar feeling each branch has been given.
Okay.
So, in whatever is there, we've tried to incorporate the branding.
And the most important aspect is how the people interact. So if you're attracting the youth, have you trained your employees to talk in a certain way or to
Yes, we have.
interact in a certain way?
Oh yes. Actually, we are in the process of all these things. As I said, we would like to go step by step. The first step was to do all the visual branding as of
Okay.
now. And slowly we are giving a lot of training to our employees as to how you should talk over the counter, how to deal with younger generation, because as of now we have a lot of old generation coming in. The way you talk to older generation is completely different than the younger generation wants everything quick.
That's true.
So we are in the process of doing that.
So do you have internal trainers or you've taken someone from outside?
No, we have internal trainers.
And for the logo design, did you do it in-house or you went to agency?
We went through an agency.
Great, wonderful. I look forward to the refreshing and revamping of the bank and the brand, and all the best to you and your team.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.